In this video, you will see how to capitalize text in Word document without retyping. To capitalize text in Word, first select the words, sentence or a paragraph you wish to capitalize. And you have to go here under the Home tab. You will see this option. This option is a change case option. You have to click on the small downward arrow to see the options available. And for capitalizing text, you have to use the option uppercase. Uppercase means capitalize all the text. After clicking on this option, the text will be capitalized. And the keyboard shortcut on Windows is hold the Shift button and press F3 multiple times until you get all the text capital. If you are using Microsoft Word on Mac, then press Function, Shift and hold the both keys and press F3 multiple times until you get the capitalized text. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to Microsoft Word. Subscribe and press the bell icon if you want to learn more tips and tricks quickly like these.